Okay, first use with this COOKLEE mixer, Lemon Dream Sugar Cookies recipe. I have about a cup left, I think, of the flour, of the 7 cups of flour. And this is it on low. It does bounce a little bit, and I'm not sure if it's supposed to do that, but you can see it pulling away from the edges. So anyway, it's got plenty of power. It's not very heavy. It's not very loud. And it clears even my lights underneath my cabinets right here. So anyway, I wanted to show that. And then it pops up.
All right, about to use the mixer for the first time. Show you what I got in there. I got 2 sticks of butter, got the salted butter, 2 eggs, sugar, and white sugar and brown sugar. So I'm about to go ahead and combine these.
See, I should turn it on.
Also, it stops.
It shuts off on number 1. It don't matter where it's to. Go back.
How long will it last with it moving like that? Moving the whole unit.
Okay, so here's the mixer. Here's the size comparison between the two. I mean, pretty noticeable for the bowl. Works really good.
That's on level 8, and it's making that high-pitched squeal. And listen to 10. Absolutely.